All computers require an operating system, which is the software responsible for managing hardware resources and enabling other applications to function. This exam objective covers the major workstation operating systems, their distinguishing features, and the circumstances under which a technician might recommend one over another. The following sections will address each of the 4 primary operating systems. A workstation operating system is defined as an operating system designed to run on a single computer for a single user, performing local, day-to-day tasks. In contrast, a server operating system is intended to host resources for multiple users simultaneously. This distinction is important and will be referenced later in the exam. Windows, developed by Microsoft, is the most widely used desktop operating system in business environments. As a closed-source platform, its underlying code is not accessible for review or modification. Its primary advantage is compatibility, as most business software, including accounting tools and industry-specific applications, is designed for Windows as the initial target platform. Familiarity with the different Windows editions is essential for the exam. Windows Home is intended for personal use. Windows Pro includes business features such as domain join capability. Windows Enterprise offers advanced centralized management for large organizations. Additionally, Windows primarily utilizes the NTFS, New Technology File System, which is referenced throughout the exam. Let us examine Windows editions in greater detail, as this topic is frequently assessed on the exam. There are 3 primary tiers: Home, designed for personal use; Pro, which introduces business-oriented features; and Enterprise, which expands upon Pro by offering tools tailored for large organizations. We will now analyze the specific features provided by each edition. This section provides a detailed comparison of features across Windows editions: domain join, BitLocker encryption, group policy editor, remote desktop hosting, Hyper-V virtualization, and Windows Sandbox are available starting with the Pro edition. These features are not included in the Home edition. The Enterprise edition encompasses all Pro features and adds AppLocker for application control, as well as Credential Guard for enhanced credential protection. In summary, the Home edition offers limited functionality. The Pro edition introduces IT-focused tools, and the Enterprise edition delivers advanced security and management capabilities appropriate for large organizations. A commonly assessed concept is that domain join functionality requires either the Pro or Enterprise edition, as the Home edition does not support domain joining. BitLocker and remote desktop hosting are also frequently evaluated features. Enterprise-specific functionalities, including AppLocker and Credential Guard, are tested less often, but should be identified as exclusive to the Enterprise edition. Furthermore, the Enterprise edition is not sold individually and is available only through volume licensing to organizations. Another important aspect is that Windows manages updates via Windows Update, with most security patches released on a predictable monthly schedule known as Patch Tuesday. The operating system also includes Windows Defender, which provides antivirus and malware protection. This predictability is significant in managed business environments, as IT teams can plan accordingly. Linux is an open-source operating system, meaning its source code is publicly accessible for inspection, modification, and redistribution. Variants created from this code are referred to as distributions, or distros, with Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian being prominent examples. Linux is freely available and is recognized for its lightweight architecture and high degree of customizability. Linux relies more extensively on the command line compared to Windows or macOS, although contemporary distributions provide graphical user interfaces. Linux is widely used on servers and supports a significant portion of the Internet's infrastructure. As a desktop operating system, it is less prevalent among general users, primarily due to its steeper learning curve. Linux distributions differ significantly in their characteristics. Ubuntu is frequently recommended for beginners due to its polished interface and comprehensive documentation. Fedora typically provides the most recent software releases, which attracts developers seeking the latest features. Debian emphasizes stability, making it a preferred choice for server environments. Although these distributions share the same core operating system, they exhibit distinct attributes. macOS is made by Apple, and it only runs on Apple hardware. That's a licensing restriction, not a technical one. It's closed source, and it's built on a Unix foundation, which is part of why you'll sometimes see Linux and macOS behave similarly at the command line. For the exam, know that macOS uses the APFS file system, Apple file system. macOS is also popular in creative fields like video editing, graphic design, and music production, partly because of strong first-party creative software. macOS has a feature called Gatekeeper, which checks that apps are from identified developers before letting them run. That's one reason macOS has a reputation for being harder to infect with malware. macOS also integrates closely with other Apple devices, letting you start a task on your iPhone and finish it on your Mac. That ecosystem lock-in is part of the appeal and part of the cost. Chrome OS, made by Google, is built almost entirely around the web. Most of what you do happens inside the Chrome browser or through web-based apps. It's lightweight, it boots fast, and it relies heavily on cloud storage rather than a large local hard drive. Chrome OS runs on devices called Chromebooks. It's common in schools and budget-friendly laptops because the hardware requirements are low and the devices are cheap to produce. The trade-off is limited offline functionality. Without an internet connection, a lot of what a Chromebook does becomes unavailable. Here's a quick way to see the differences. On Windows, you'd list files with a command like dir. On Linux and macOS, since they share that Unix-style heritage, you'd use ls. On Chrome OS, most users never touch a command line at all because the whole system is designed to keep you out of it. Here's the whole picture in one place. Windows, closed source, NTFS, Patch Tuesday updates, broad business use. Linux, open source, file system varies by distro, update cadence varies by distro, servers and specialized desktop use. macOS, closed source, APFS, scheduled App Store updates, creative work on Apple hardware. Chrome OS, closed source, cloud-based storage, automatic background updates, lightweight and budget devices. Two mix-ups to watch for. First, macOS does not run on generic PC hardware. It's tied to Apple devices. Second, don't confuse Linux and Chrome OS just because both have roots in open technology. Chrome OS is built on a Linux kernel, but it's a distinct Google-controlled product with its own restrictions. So, Windows for broad compatibility, Linux for openness and control, macOS for creative work on Apple hardware, Chrome OS for lightweight, cloud-based use. That covers workstation operating systems for this objective. Thanks for watching.